Hi. Hi, boo. Open your eyes for me. Huh? Say, I'm tired, Mama. Oh, there's a hand. Uh-oh. We need to tie that down because he'll pull his tube out if he... Oh, crap. Say, I'm a crazy one. I'm a wild thing.
Oh, there's a bug.
Oh, there he is. Hey, baby. Hi. He says, Mama, why have I been asleep for so long, Mama? Say, it's okay for you to be asleep for so long. It's good for you, baby. You uncomfortable, Kai Bear? Is Daddy wrapping you up? I gotta tie you down, Kai. 'Cause you're crazy. Hey, handsome. No, that's it. Just little peeks. Just little peeks. Hmm? You talking to me? You talking to me? Kai. Wanna say hi to Mama and Daddy? Wanna see us? Wanna peek at us? Say, who's that? Who's that talking? Who's that talking? That's Mama. I know that voice. Hi.
Yes?
Don't mess with him. Are you pinching his feet?
Oh, no, I wasn't pinching him. He was rubbing his toe.
Kai. Hi, baby. He says, no, I don't want to wake up. This tube in my throat is annoying.
And it's double sedated.
And I'm double sedated. I'm in La La Land. Hi, baby. Say peekaboo. I'm just peeking at you for a second. And I say, whoa, who's that ugly lady? Oh, I gotta shut my eyes. She is scary looking. Little boo. Kai. I want to see those beautiful brown eyes of yours. They're black eyes. He has black eyes. They're black.
Really, really dark brown.
Uh-huh.
For mine are.
Beautiful, beautiful. Mm-hmm. Me? Yes, you. Alright, Kai, I'm going to turn it off. Are you going to open up right after I turn it off? He says, why, of course. That's my steez. That's my style. How's that tube taste?
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum.
Everlasting flavor.
What the heck? Bye, Kai.